It's my pleasure to welcome you all today for our Smart Technology Day.
Our philosophy at Hurco is that the customer is always number one. So we listen and we respond.
Most of the machines in my factory are from Hurco.
And honestly, whatever support they have given with these machines, it is remarkable.
We don't feel like that we are working with a American company. Like we feel like we are working with a very friendly and Indian company.
Sanjib ji has developed this brand in India. So I truly appreciate your efforts.
Compared to last open house, it is just double. The response is double, the organization is double.
Well organized and lots of good turnaround, good customers came in. Not to forget machine maker, their contribution is also really well, they marketed well and then they could able to attract a lot of customers. Thank you so much.
There is a lot of passion, and that passion is what we are seeing as a result here.
Hurco and Takumi jointly, we did fantastic job. I'm very happy. I'm sure our partners are also very happy.